Welcome to a video from thedislifestyle.com. This video I'm demonstrating my new sound collection for the Korg Modwave, the M1 T1 collection. I've also got collections available, and you can find these videos as well available, of the DW8000, the MS2000 and the Wave Station. I've also got a collection for the PPG Waves as well, or PPG Wave sounds for the Modwave. So in this video I'm just going to go through some of the sounds on here. Not a huge amount here, but I've got 19 performances and some patches as well to go through, just to show you these classic sounds made for the Modwave. We're going to start off with this, probably one of the most famous sounds, and that's the M1 piano. So this is the piano that defined tons of dance tracks in the early 90s, and this is late 80s, early 90s, and this is the piano sound. So that's the piano, and this is using the waves that Korg shipped with the Modwave, and you can see in the multi-sample there I'm using the actual M1 piano that sits with it, so that's how you get that effect. So there's a bit of reverb on there as well, not quite so dry. So here's another one that's quite famous. This is called Filmscore, and this is actually made up of two layers of sounds, a layer A and a B, to get the patch, the famous performance from the M1. So we've got two layers of dual sounds on that one to get those effects. And what I've done is I've used the M1 VST from Korg to make sure I get the right waves in there as well. So there's also one that's split, which is how the original sound on the M1 is split. So you've got the piano and the bell in the left hand, and the right hand has the chords. Next one, another famous patch. M1 Choir, used by Queen, many others. I think that will be familiar for any Queen fans. And also the wave here is listed as WS for Wave Station Vox, and that's because the Wave Station used the samples that was originally on the M1. Another famous one for dance music is the M1 organ. That was used on tons of dance music in the 80s, late 80s, early 90s, and that came from the M1. A few different ones now. This is called 12 string, and this is one that was used by Tangerine a lot in the 90s, which originally came from the M1. So this is the 12 string. And the idea of that one, it's the M1 12 string, copy of the original patch, but it doesn't quite sound like a 12 string, it sounds like something else, which is why I like that one. This one is the Pan Flute sound, again using M1 sample. So this is the M1 flute. Another famous one is Dreampad. Velocity modulation on that as well. Again, based on one of the original patches, and the original M1 slap bass, they're using the actual M1 slap bass, just a single oscillator with this sample sound. This is another factory preset that I've copied. Bit eerie, and and that again is a copy of the M1 space pad. And here's another one using direct sample from the M1, the muted pick. That's another one from the M1, that's the muted pick, or pick mute. This is another preset, quite a famous one called Soundtrack. So I used the samples that Korg used on the M1 to recreate this. And there you can see I'm using that synth string. This is called Winter Sweep, which is one of the factory ones. And then this isn't one of the factory ones, but I was messing about making M1 sound, and I like this one. It's called Choir Sweep. So that's included. And we've got Digital Pad, which is one of the presets. And then a couple of bonus ones. After the M1 came out, a couple of years later came the T series, the T1, T2, T3, and those cards are included in the M1 VST. So I've recreated some of those as well. This is called 12 string, and this was used a lot by Tangerine Dream. I think he used it in combination with the 12 string from the M1, but this sounds by ear very much like what they used. That's included. Again, another factory patch. Ooh, and the final one is Aeroglide. And that was a T1 factory patch as well. So all these sounds are available in this M1 collection. Like I said, all the other ones are available online as well that I've already uploaded. So thanks for watching this video. Get them from musictech.digitallifestyle.com.